Hi, I'm Mark Wadell, Dean of COPA U's College of Aviation Safety. Today I'm going to be talking about the Garmin Green Donut. Have you noticed the green donut on the airspeed tape? The green donut is an airspeed bug that is dynamically calculated by your aircraft's stall warning computer using the angle of attack system in G6 or later FICI aircraft. It is a reference airspeed for use during final approach.
For 500.
What is a reference airspeed and how is it used during final approach? Our aircraft landing performance is based on a specific powered approach flight profile. As the aircraft approaches 50-foot AGL, it should have been slowed and trimmed for 1.3 times the stall speed, plus any recommended gust factor. After crossing 50-foot AGL, power is gradually reduced. Then as the aircraft slows further, the pilot smoothly applies back pressure to gradually raise the nose. As the pilot continues to hold back pressure, the aircraft should touch down slightly above stall with power at idle. Published approach speeds in the POH are based on stall margins for maximum gross weight. Using these recommended speeds at lighter landing weights results in carrying excess energy into landing that then has to be bled off before touchdown. Adjusting these numbers to use an approach speed appropriate to the particular landing weight can make our landings more consistent, stable, and safe. G6 and later FICI aircraft have been flight tested to configure a green donut airspeed reference for use on final approach. Here is how it works. Flight into known icing Cirrus used this stall vane to measure the angle of attack on the leading edge of the right wing. An angle of attack indicator can be user-enabled in the PFD display settings. Depending on software version, it is presented to the left of the airspeed tape as shown here or below the tape. The stall vane is pushed down against the spring when angle of attack is low during normal flight, and it moves up as the wing approaches stall. This indicator displays color-coded normalized angle of attack, or AOA. The indicator points to 1 when the wing reaches the critical angle of attack and stalls.
Stall. Stall.
During approach to land, the pointer should be in the 3 o'clock position. This automatically adjusts for flaps configuration. It represents a value of 0.6 or 60% of critical AOA and is approximately 1.3 times the stall speed. The aircraft will be trimmed for this ideal angle of attack when its airspeed matches the green donut. In other words, the green donut provides a reference that tells pilots when they are carrying excess airspeed on final approach, as well as the airspeed target for crossing 50-foot AGL. Poor airspeed control on final approach is one of the leading errors we see in accident data. Landing and go-around mishaps account for more than half of all Cirrus incident and accident reports. Pilots who fly standardized and stabilized can avoid these mishaps. Flying stabilized approaches at the correct airspeed can help pilots make safer, more consistent landings. Use the green donut as a reference airspeed, adding gust factor as needed. Pilots can now reference their green donut for trimming to final approach speed. And flying the correct approach speed can make landings more consistent and stable, helping pilots lower their touchdown speeds and reduce their exposure to loss of control from unstable approaches and landings. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Wadell. We'll see you on the forums, and we hope to see you at the next CPPP.